In today's video, I'll show you how to make a beautiful 720 degrees peplum. So guys, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Now to achieve the 720 degrees peplum, I need 360 degrees into 2. That is, I'll be cutting the 360 degrees peplum into 2 pieces. Now for me to do that, my waist measurement is 36 inches divided into 2 because I'm cutting it into 2, divided into 2 to give me 18 inches. Now 18 divided into 6.28, which is the measurement for achieving a peplum. I'm having 18. By the time I divide 36 into 2, it will give me 18 inches. 18 inches divided into 6.28, it will give me 2 3/4. That is, the radius will be 2 3/4. So I will mark 2 3/4 for the radius. But first of all, the measurements I'm working with here is 12 by 12 inches. Remember, my fabric is unfold into 4. Now 12 by 12 and is unfold into 4 pieces. You make sure the edges are aligned. Then I will mark my 2 3/4. Now for the length, remember the length of the top is 25 inches minus 17 inches. So by the time I remove 17 inches from 25 inches, it will give me 9 inches. So I'll be adding extra 1 inch allowance. That is 10 inches. So I'll cut 10 inches. The radius is 2 3/4, 10 inches for the peplum side. From this radius, I'm taking my measurement, not from the tip. Then I'll join the lines together. I'll leave it aside to cut the second one before I'll trim off the radius. Now I'll take the first one and place it. My fabric is unfold into 4 pieces. Now I'll place this double side into double side. Then I'll cut. Now I'll cut out the radius. I'm cutting out the radius now. So I'm having 2 peplum tops. I'll open up one side as well. So by the time I open it, I'm having 2 peplum. The next thing I will do now is to go ahead and cut the lining. I'll first start with the peplum. Now for the lining, I will place it the same way I folded my fabric, and I place the double side to the double side of the lining as well. Then I'll cut. I'll as well cut the radius side. This is the waistline. Then pick the second one the same way. Now I'll place the second one as well. I'll as well cut it out. I'll go ahead and open up the first folding. The same thing to this one. Now I'm having 2 lining and 2 peplum. The next stage is to start sewing it. Then I'll do to pick my peplum like so. I'll open it up and as well open the second one, and I'll place it right side facing each other. Now I'll go to my sewing machine and sew only one side, leaving the second side open. Because of my zipper, I'll only sew one side of it. The same thing to the lining as well. I'll open it up and place it together and sew one side. After then, I will show you the next thing I'll do. Now I've added my crinoline. I sewed it with the lining together, and I went ahead and added hemming gum for it to be smooth, because if you sew on top of this, it's gonna be rough. So I added hemming gum to make it to be smooth and neat. So the next thing I will do now, I will open it up like so, and I'll top stitch from the lining side. I'm going to top stitch through. I'll top stitch it round. So after that, I'll show you the next thing I will do. Now I've top stitched this side. So the next thing I will do is to sew this edge. So what I will do is to bend it. Now the next thing I will do is to close up these 2 sides. But because of this edge, you know, is having crinoline. So I'll just fold in the same inch that will rhyme this edge, so that it will not show when I turn it. You will not see the line, you just see some inches of the cloth that came out. So I will just stop stitch this side, and as well just fold it in to the length of this seam allowance small and close it. After then, I'll show you the next thing I will do. Now I've closed up the 2 sides, I'll go ahead and turn it out to the right side. Now I've turned it inside out to the right side. The next thing I'll do now is, before I'll top stitch, is to iron. So I'll iron it very well so that it becomes straight. I'll top stitch the waistline. So I'll go now and iron. So guys, I've already ironed it. So the next thing I will do, that is the last thing to do, is to top stitch this waistline. So I'll go to my sewing machine now and top stitch. So guys, this is the final look of the peplum. Can see, you can then plait it the way you want. Go ahead and plait it. Can see it's standing already. So I would like you to try yours. I hope this video is helpful. I want you to drop your comment at the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So guys, you can decide to plait it anyhow you want. The peplum is already standing. If you like it, I want you to drop your comment at the comment section. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Share to your friends. So guys, in my next video, I will show you how to plait it and attach it to your top. And see you in my next video. Bye.